Hello, everyone, I'm Linda. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am going to step by step to show you how to install Visual Studio on Windows 11. And then how to create a new project and run it on Visual Studio. Before we get started, please subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell to get more related videos. Now, let's dive into the video content.
Visual Studio IDE is like a creative hub for developers. It helps you edit, debug, build code, and publish apps. It has extra tools to make software development easier. Now, let's get started. The first step is to open web browser and typing Visual Studio Download in the address bar. It will redirect to the visualstudio.microsoft.com. So here, just simply click on it, and it head over to the official Visual Studio website. Now, here you can see Visual Studio 2022. There have three options. One is Community, the other one is Professional, and last one is the Enterprise version. Then you just click on the Community free download, this one, and it will redirect to this page, and click the download button, and you can see Visual Studio Setup is downloaded. So click on it to install Visual Studio. It will tell you need to set up a few things before get started. Just click Continue. Now getting the Visual Studio installer ready. Now, on this screen, you need to choose what do you want to install. You can always select all of these. Here, I chose 3 for myself. The first one is ASP.NET, Azure Development and NetDesk Development. It totally depends on yourself what application do you need to develop. Scroll down. I also choose Data Storage and Processing. Here show you total space required 11.33 GB. Make sure you have enough space to install it. Choose Install while downloading, or you can also choose Download all then install. It's personal choice. And click Install. Now here we can see Visual Studio Community 2022 is downloading and verifying. It will take a little bit time to download. Once it all done, there is a new window ask you to sign in to Visual Studio or create a new account. Here, click on Skip this for now, next Development Settings, choose which one you are using. I am going to use C#, so I click on it. You can also choose your Clower theme. I prefer dark, so I choose it, layout, keyboard shorts, and color theme. You can always change these settings later, and now click on Start Visual Studio. Now I am going to create a new project. Let me maximize the new window. Here you can see, on the left side, it's my older projects. On the right side, you can see here Get Started. Now, I select Create a New Project. From the search bar at the top, type Console and scroll down and select the console, app.NET Framework, and click on Next. Next, need give the project a name. I call Example Console and click Create to continue. Here, we can see Example Console.program. Inside the Example Console is a class program, and inside this program, this code, is the method named main. As soon as you run your program, and then executes any code written in between those two curly brackets. Next, learn how to search for console. After the first curly bracket and type console, and type a full stop, press the Tab key to add the word WriteLine to your code from the menu, and type a left round bracket. Do not forget to add the double quotes at the start and end of the statement, and type, "Hello, welcome to my channel," add a closed round bracket, followed by a semicolon. Another line needs to be added, console.readKey and double round brackets, followed by a semicolon. That will stop the application from closing before the output can be viewed. Learn how to build solution. From the Build menu at the top of Visual Studio, click Build Solution. This will build the source code for the application and provide you with the results of the build in the output window. You can also use keyboard shortcut Control plus Shift plus B to build solution. You can see a report confirming that build succeeded. Here you can see task completed successfully, and here build succeeded. Next, learn how to run the application. To run the application from within Visual Studio, use the Debugging menu at the top of Visual Studio and select either Start Debugging or Start Without Debugging. You can also use keyboard shortcut F5 to start debugging or use Control plus F5 without debugging. Both of these options will build and then run your application. Here, I am choosing Start Without Debugging. The results of the process is to create a console application that shows the following output in the console window. Now I have successfully run my C# application. In building and running the application, Visual Studio has built a version of the application that we can run as an executable Windows file. .exe. The location of the files can be found within the bin, and then the debug folders in the root folder of your project.
That's all for today's video. If you like the video, please subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the notification bell to receive more related videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you next video.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io